Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can restore or migrate your Odoo database. So let's get right into it. Now, the main core method you're going to be using is you're going to make a backup through a dump of the database and then restore that backup in another server. So let me explain to you guys how that is done. I'll be using this forum post here simply to explain it because I don't have the required facilities to actually migrate on my own device. So I hope you guys understand, but let's get right into it. Now, as you can see here, you should set up an Odoo instance on your Windows machine or anywhere else, and you should have an instance that is installed, so a standalone, so that you'll have access to that restore option and for the backup option as well. So what I recommend you do, you can use it through accessing your database manager on the web. However, you can also use other commands such as pg_dump and then your database name to actually back it up or dump it, and then you'll be able to restore it on a different database. But what I recommend you do, you either go to your URL colon 8069 is the port for the database manager or for Odoo in general. So either localhost colon 8069 or your site URL colon 8069 with the https www and .com, and then once you're there, you'll be on your web, and then just add /database/manager. There you can click on the backup option and make a dump of your database as a backup, and then you can use that on a different installation to actually restore it. So once you make that backup, you can very easily just go to again on the new installation, go to your URL colon 8069, and then you can have access to the restore button. Click on the restore button and then pick the dump that you've made on the previous installation and restore that. And once you restore that, that should be pretty much it, and you should be good to go without any problems. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.